Morning everyone. You're probably like, why is he on the couch under a blanket and why has he got a coffee when the channel's called Beer and Watches? All will be explained. Oh, and today I'm going to order a watch and give the watch away to one of you. Now, time's a ticking, so let's get stuck in. Good morning guys, it is Friday and it's early in the morning. I'm recording this video on Friday even though you're not going to see it until Monday. Anyways, you're probably wondering, why is he on the couch under a blanket? Well, I slept on the couch last night. No, I'm not in trouble or anything like that. I swear. Honest, I just love sleeping on the couch sometimes. Do you guys like sleeping on the couch out there? I'd love to know, because I'm a grown-up. I can do whatever I like. On today's episode, what I'm going to do is, well, I just woke up with this idea. I thought that I would go on Amazon with you guys and we'd order a watch together and then I'm going to give the watch away. So I've got my computer here and I'm just going to pull up WeVideo. I'm also going to pull up Amazon. Now, today is Friday the 9th of October. I'm going to do this order now, and you will enter now, and the draw will be in 2 weeks. So whatever that is from now, what would that be? 23rd. Friday the 23rd of October, I'll do the draw to win this watch. Here's how it's going to work. One, you got to watch this whole video and count how many times I've said Timex in this video. Watch all the way to the end because I have this tendency in my contest to sneak a little one in at the end just to kind of fool you guys. And then you comment in the comment section below with that number. Oh, and one other thing, and this is super important. You have to be subscribed to my channel. I do these watch giveaways because I want to give back to the community and I love giving away watches, right? And we've had a lot of winners. In fact, we had this guy, Mogi. He was one of my watch winners and you could win too. It's that simple. So to subscribe, in case you're wondering, subscribing is free. It doesn't cost you anything. All you have to do is click on the subscribe link. It's over there to the bottom right of this video, that little red YouTube thing. You scroll over it and then click subscribe. Or if you're watching this on your mobile device, then it's below this video on your phone. But if you're watching the video this way, you have to turn the phone this way and then it'll kind of pop up by magic. So make sure you're subscribed. Go ahead and do that now. I'll wait. No, I can wait. Okay, so now that you're subscribed, you are eligible to enter. So you watch the video till the end and count how many times I say Timex and put that in the description below. So I'm going to start recording my screen, and once it is recording, then I'll turn it round and we are going to go look for a watch. Now I'm going to type in Timex chronograph, and remember, you are counting how many times I say Timex. Holy cow, these are expensive. I hate it when I make decisions and then before I look at prices. We're going to try and keep this under $100 because then whoever wins, I've also got to ship it out. Let's take a look here. I don't know which ones are my favorites. We're going for under $100. That one is nice right there. That's not a chronograph. Leather band, it's a quartz, blue rotating bezel. This is a solar as well. It's charged by light and it's got a 2-month power reserve. That's a gorgeous watch. What do you guys think? Do you like it? Beautiful crown, rotating bezel, stainless steel case, signed buckle. Look at that kind of cushion effect on the strap as well and the nice stitching. See, Timex makes stunning watches, guys. This one, the Timex Weekender, I love it. I did a review of this on my channel, actually. And if you want to check that review out, you can go right there and check out the Timex review. What I love about these is the Indiglow function. If you've never seen Timex Indiglow, it's like the best lume glow in the world. Really is. Puts other more expensive watches to shame, quite frankly. This is a gorgeous watch. I kind of like that. You know what I think I'll do? I think I'll add that to the cart. Doesn't mean we're going to buy it. Oh, hang on. It's available in other colors too. The reason I want to do this is because look, there it is in brown, which I really like actually, but then it also comes in black with yellow, and it also comes in, oh, that's kind of cool. And you know what, actually that's That's kind of got the leather strap, a little bit darker. It's got black face, got the yellow on there, and it's a little bit cheaper, $71, which quite frankly helps me out a lot because I got to pay for this at the end of the day. All right, so you know what? I'm going to add that one to the cart as well. And we don't want coverage. Nah, not for now. And let's go back. So we've also got a few others here. That one's kind of nice. Weekender chronograph, 40 millimeters, kind of like that. Timex Fairfield Supernova leather band chronograph watch. Genuine leather, 41 millimeters. Water resistance 30 meters, so just good for like washing your hands. Stainless steel case, mineral crystal. It's kind of cool. Not a big fan though. If I'm not a big fan, I don't know if you guys are big fans either of it. You know, I'm kind of feeling that Timex that I found there. I think that was a super, super nice watch. That's really nice too, but way over my budget for this video, for this spend. We'll go just to one more page of Timex watches just to see if there's anything there that maybe I missed. That's kind of cool. Timex Men's Expedition Katmai combo. Kind of like that. Maybe we'll have a look. Looks like it's got a rotating bezel. Let's just go down to the functions. Yeah, unidirectional bezel on this, 40 millimeters. It's a plastic case, resin, 20 millimeter bandwidth, quartz, 50 meter water resistance. So not. See, here's the thing. Why would they put a rotating bezel, which is a dive watch function, on a watch that can only go to 50 meters underwater, which is essentially just splashing your hand? It doesn't mean actually 50 meters of water submersion. That kind of bothers me. You know, it annoys me when they put these tool functions on watches and then it can't be used for what the function is actually intended for. Why bother? What's the point? So I think, guys, I'm going to go with that Timex that I saw earlier because I really like it. I think it's a great looking watch. Yeah, that's kind of cool, but I just don't think it's as cool as that watch. $71.98. Oh, now this is interesting because this is the watch that we looked at before. I preferred it in the light brown strap with the blue, but it was $90 on the other link, and here it's $71.98. And I can get free one-day shipping on Prime. I think I'm going to go with this color. I don't know, maybe you prefer the black, but I think this is the best one. Solar powered, leather band, 43 millimeter case diameter. So I think we're going to order this one, guys. I'm going to add it to cart. That's it. We got GST on there, which is Canadian tax, and I'm ordering this Timex watch, guys. Timex Men's Sport Expedition Ranger Solar 43mm leather strap watch, blue dial, brown band, solar watch, 2 months power reserve. It's amazing. Somebody is going to win it. So I'm going to click order. It's ordered. We got it on the way. It's coming to me. It'll be here in a couple of days, the Timex watch. So if you watch this whole video, make sure you are subscribed. If you are not subscribed, you will not be entered. So you can put a number below, but I won't enter you if you're not subscribed, guys. Sorry, but this is a video to say thank you to my loyal subscribers and followers. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. It's completely free. Over there to the right of the screen or below this video if you're on your phone. All right, when the watch arrives, I'll do a review of it, and then on the, what was it again? Today's the 9th, so that would be the 23rd. So we'll do a review of it when it arrives, and then on the 23rd of October, I will do the contest giveaway to give away this Timex watch. And don't forget, you've got to be subscribed, and you've got to put in the comment section below how many times I said Timex in this video. Happy Monday. Make sure you get your contest in, and we'll see you again on Wednesday for another episode of Beer and Watches. I've got my coffee. Take care. Bye for now.